I'm gonna pull the disc hub off this Chevy S10. You're gonna need something to get this cap off, so a flat head or just hitting it with a hammer. You're gonna need a 27mm socket for the castle nut, and probably a few extra quarter pins in case if you lose or break the one inside, as well as an Allen wrench to get the brake. So just gonna start by hitting this. Probably want a few rags as well, paper towel or something. I'm gonna go ahead and get the brakes off. Alright, now that that's done, the bolts are out. Just gonna tap on this with a mallet. Gonna grab a pair of pliers and grab this pin. Got it out. Alright, next is the nut, which isn't even really tight. And the bearings. This comes right off. And that's pretty much for getting it off. Now I'm gonna put that on my Isuzu Hombre. It's essentially the same truck. Both about 98, 99. I replaced the other one and it squeaks a little bit. I'm not sure if there's some rust. I'm thinking it's rubbing back here. I'll probably pull it back off and see if there's any shiny spots or anything showing up.
Felt them. It looks dry.
Wait. Go. Yep. Alright, then get the quarter pin out next.
Don't move that block, cat. Denut it.
Time to denut. 27mm.
how bad we are.
You want to check the shoes out?
Oh, they look good. It's still got enough though. Well, it is getting a little. We'll change it soon, but.
Let's see. Eee.
It looks okay.
That's it.
Cap. Here's this one.
Yeah,
It's
this
not
one looks
bent.
a little better.
Disc, and like put them right in the middle where the seat goes in that truck, or put them on the seat,
Alright.
and just hopefully if we need them, they'll be there.
Alright, one of these, yeah, these little things like to fall out.
Spacers. What you think, Kitty?
I was going to show how to get this ring out so you can get the back bearing out. I just got a vice grip on a standard screwdriver and get kind of underneath and kind of pry it up a little bit. And it's out. And you can get the wheel bearings out. Put the ring back in. It's best to have a board or something to go over it. But if you don't have that, then best thing you can do is lightly tap, line it up first, kind of. Make sure it's seated. Now, you may want to make sure to have a ring, because like this one came off and didn't even have the back ring. Bearings are just stayed on the spindle. I'm not sure if it got put on without it, or if the ring got chewed up. It may be something you need in order to hold the back bearings on.